just warm it up a little bit, makes it more pliable and stuff. We'll do the other side. No, we won't do the other side. What are we going to do? No, a bit more pressing down. Yeah, that's better. Get that, just make sure it runs along the line of the control. The instructions do tell you how to do it and what to line up with, which is pretty good. Get that bit round there, give it a good push down. To be fair, they do go down pretty well, so I believe that they are made by 3M as well. The vinyl's 3M, so it's pretty good stuff, which you would expect from 3M. Top bit. Heat gun, in case, which we do need. Just makes it a little bit more supple and a little bit easier to get around those tricky corners and shapes. This bit